I'll be by your side till the day that I die. You're my beautiful baby's mother. I'm sorry for making you sad and making you mad when you were pregnant, when you used to see the messages of bitches that I used to talk to, but now that's in the past. I know you will forget, but I know you will forgive me, cause you're the future wife in my life, and I'm gonna love you with my little girl Marie to the D.I.E. I love you so much and I can't explain. You're like an oldie, always and forever.
Always and forever.
2010 is when I met you, but in January 1st of 2011 is when I met you into my future wife. And the 24th of January of 2012 is when a beautiful girl came into our life, Genesis, cause she's the only beautiful girl in this whole fucking world. I hope we make it, because most young relationships don't make it. I'm too deep in love, you can call it gangster love. And before you lived with me, I used to miss you, seeing you and kissing you. To forgive you's like forgetting somewhere I never met. Flying in the net, January 1st was the day I told you, Alma, would you like to be my girlfriend? And you said, yes I do. And you also said, Marcos, would you like to be my boyfriend? And I told you the same thing, yes I do. We're gonna be together forever and ever, like a Disney story, happily ever after. I'm feeling sad for not being there for you. I'm feeling sad for the times that I broke your heart, and because hood rats keep getting into our lives. Before I lose you, I gotta open my eyes and realize Alma and Maria, the cutest thing in this whole world. You showed me happiness and I'ma show you happiness back, like T-Pain, Armstrong. And you and Maria are my girls, and I'm happy to say it. Seeing you every morning waking up makes me so damn happy. I gotta open my eyes and realize that there's nothing forever, but I'ma try to keep it forever, happy ever after. January 1st of 2011, and then January 24th of 2012 was the day that my heart keep beating faster and faster. I remember 2 nights ago, you told me that when I was carrying Marie, the first day I saw her, that my eyes were watery. I just wanna cry and release all my anger, instead of releasing a massacre. From Marie, she's my little one, because she's my angel baby. She came from up the above, Alma, she's my girl. I love it when you hug me, kissing on my neck, kissing on my tattoo. Just tell me how much you love me, and I'll tell you how much I love you, cause I'm keeping it true, I'm never faking. I tell you I love you, and when I promise you a thing, I'ma do it. And just look in my eyes and tell me I love you one more time.